everyone, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little haul for you. I just previously shared my Lawn Fawn haul, but I thought I would do this one separate since that one was kind of long and I had a lot more stuff. This one is more of a little order, but I still wanted to share because I have some things I'm really excited about for the upcoming holidays. So I'm going to set these off to the side and I'll go through them one by one. By the way, this order was from Butterfly Reflections Inc., which is my favorite online retailer. She always is so good with shipping very quickly and accommodating you with any needs that you have. And she has such a great stock as well. So definitely check her out if you haven't already. The first thing that I picked up was this new Wow embossing powder. It's called Singing in the Rain, and it's just super gorgeous. It's got a lot of glitter in it, but it also has like a very pale gray undertone, and I thought that was really cool and different. So I went ahead and grabbed that. I haven't used glitter embossing powder in a really long time, so I'm excited to play with that. The next thing I got was the Fly a Kite stamp set from Hello Bluebird. This one is not new. It's fairly new, but not from their previous release. But I've had my eye on it for a very long time just because I love the way the little critters are drawn. And I think it's really something that could be switched up with different things. I don't want to reveal anything, but I have an idea in mind that I'm hoping to film very soon, so stay tuned for that. But I just love their little expressions, especially the raccoon and this little mouse. I just think they're adorable, but they're all so cute. And you guys know how much I love squirrels, so I'm so happy he's included. I love bears and foxes. This is just like right up my alley. I just love their images, so adorable. And I did pick up the matching dies to make that nice and easy. And then I also from Hello Bluebird picked up this die here. I believe it's called the Beach Scene. It's not labeled, but I believe that's what it was called. But I have a different idea for this as well. I want to use it in a different way. So stay tuned for that. That should hopefully be coming in the next week or two if I get a chance to film it. Then I got a couple of Christmas sets because I am very excited to get an early start on my Christmas cards this year for my holiday card series. So the first one that I got is this cocoa stand from Avery, Elle. I just thought this was super fun. It gives you this little stand that you can either make it a tree farm or a hot cocoa stand, or you could even do like a sledding, like check-in station. And then you've got all these different accessories and the super cute little bear with his paws that you can add on, so they're kind of hanging over the edge of the stand. You can decorate it with Christmas lights. I just thought that was so fun and different. I don't have anything like this in my collection. And I did pick up the matching dies. And then I had to pick up the new Santa Bear set by Avery, Elle. I just thought this was such a fun and unique idea for a stamp set. So you've got the little bear dressed as Santa, and then you've got a variety of little critters that'll be waiting in line to sit on Santa's lap. And then there's some adorable sentiments like have a very happy holiday, have you been good this year, may all your Christmas wishes come true. Super, super clever, and I just thought that would be so much fun to create cards with. I did pick up the matching dies as well, and then I picked up a standalone die. This is called the Snow Scene die. So last year I got the stamp that was very similar to this, but I thought the die set would be cool as well because you could just cut it out of cardstock and it would be nice and easy to pop on a card. And then I picked up some Wild Lilac envelopes from Gina K Design. I needed some purple envelopes and I didn't have any, so I was glad to grab that. And then I picked up a couple paper pads. The first one is the Heart by Simple Stories. I just wanted something that was that would work for fall. It was kind of muted tones, but something that was different, like not necessarily fall cards, but good for that time of the year. So you can see that this is kind of like a dusky grays and aquas with that little bit of pop of yellow, but it's not a bright yellow, it's a pale yellow. So this would work really good for, I believe, like September through January type of cards that are not holiday themed. So birthday cards, thinking of you cards, anything like that, I thought this would be a good one for. Then I did pick up a fall pad. This is my favorite fall from Echo Park. And this is very traditional. It's got a lot of this typical fall colors with that pop of aqua that seems to be a theme this year. Lots of plaids and leaves. There's some owls and some different woodland critters, pumpkins. Just really versatile and easy to use with all kinds of different images. And then the last pad that I got was the Merry Little Christmas by Pebbles. This one has foil on it. If I had realized it had foil, I probably would have skipped this one. I find foiled papers hard to use for me just because my style is so cute and simple. Like, not simple as in design, because I do like layered cards with lots of images in them, but I don't usually like have a lot of gold embossing or anything like that on my cards. So I find these a little bit hard to use, but there are some non-foiled pages as well, and I guess it's going to stretch me to see if I can find a way to incorporate these in a way that still looks cohesive with the way that I create. So we'll see, maybe it'll push me out of my comfort zone a little bit, but very, very cute little images in this little pad here. So that was my entire haul from Butterfly Reflections Inc. So not a ton of stuff, but stuff that I am really looking forward to using. So definitely stay tuned. The Christmas stuff you're not going to see on my channel for a little while still. I hope to get an early start on filming my card series this year, but I probably still won't post it until after Halloween. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you are most excited to see me use, or what was your favorite of all the things that I purchased. I can't wait to hear from you guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.